What do you get when you mix the most Christmassy decoration and interactive technology? You get a new form of holidays with an innovative gadget that boosts creativity and is really fun to use. Smart Christmas lights. We needed to show interactiveness of the product to users who didn't have an opportunity to try it on their own. We had to make possible for everyone to get a glimpse of a new holiday experience and a chance to try out our Twinkly lights online. So we created an interactive microsite that allowed users nationwide to play with the lights as if they had them at home. Users had options to play with the elements just as if they were playing with the Twinkly settings in person. To raise the awareness about the product, we invited endorsers to show different ways they would use the lights, but also to create their own decorations. One of the first aired episodes of A1 Things series was an introduction on how to set up the lights. During 2 weeks period, users created their own Christmas trees, so we gathered amazing creations in an online gallery. Almost 70,000 views of our and endorsers' content led people to the microsite, resulting with more than 2,042 submitted creations. In the end, it all meant that our users really got a taste of a new form of holidays, and they really loved it.